Your dad had a truck, a real truck, and one day he sold it. Maybe he needed the money. Maybe your mom said it was taking up space. Maybe he thought he was upgrading. But I guarantee you he thinks about that truck every single day. There are 5 trucks from the 90s that haunt fathers across America. The ones they let go. The ones worth triple now. The ones that would still be running if they'd just held on. And today, I'm going to show you exactly which ones and why these regrets cut so deep. These aren't just trucks. They're the last machines that deserve to be kept. Subscribe because today's stories will make you call your dad and ask what he sold. Number 1. Ford F-150 OBS 1992 to 1996. There's a guy named Robert in Tennessee. Sold his 1994 F-150 in 2008 for $4,000. Needed money for his daughter's college. Noble reason, right? That truck today, $25,000. He didn't just lose a truck. He lost $21,000. But that's not what hurts. He told me the story with his voice cracking. That F-150 was the truck that taught his son to drive. The truck that moved his daughter to 3 different colleges. The truck that never failed him once in 14 years. He bought a 2015 F-150 with the college money he saved. It's been in the shop 4 times this year. He looks at it in his driveway and thinks about the 94 every single morning. His son asked him why he sold it. He still doesn't have a good answer. Number 2. Toyota Tacoma 1995 to 2000. Mike in Oregon is 68 years old. In 1998, he bought a brand new Tacoma. Forest green, manual transmission. Paid $18,000 cash. In 2012, his wife convinced him to sell it. You're getting older. Get something easier to drive. Something automatic. Made sense. He sold it for $9,000. Bought a Camry. That Tacoma, worth $30,000 today. But here's what kills him. He saw it 2 years ago. Same truck. Same license plate. Still running. The guy who bought it has 480,000 miles on it now. Original engine. Mike could still be driving it. Instead, he's on his 3rd Camry. None of them feel like that Tacoma. He told me he dreams about it sometimes. Just driving. His wife doesn't bring it up anymore. Number 3. Chevrolet Silverado 1988 to 1998. There's a father-son story in Texas that'll break your heart. Dad bought a 1995 Silverado Z71 when his son was 8. Red. Perfect condition. The son grew up washing that truck every Saturday. Learned to change oil in that truck. Took his prom date to dinner in that truck. Dad promised him, "This will be yours when you graduate college." Senior year of college, 2009. Economy crashed. Dad lost his job. Sold the Silverado for $7,000 to keep the lights on. Son came home for graduation. Truck was gone. Dad cried. Said he'd buy another one someday. They never talked about it again. That son is 35 now. He still looks for that exact Silverado online. Same year. Same color. Same everything. Found 3. Cheapest one, $28,000. His dad's 67. He could buy it back now. But it wouldn't be the same one. Wouldn't have the memories. Number 4. Ford Ranger 1993 to 1997. Simple truck. Simple story. Simple regret. John in Michigan bought a 1995 Ranger for his lawn care business. That truck worked for 15 years. Never complained. Never quit. 310,000 miles. 2014, he upgraded to a 2014 Colorado. Sold the Ranger for $3,000. The Colorado was fancier, more comfortable, better technology. The Colorado died at 95,000 miles. Transmission, $8,000 repair. He sold it for parts. The Ranger he sold still sees it around town. Different owner. Still running. Still working. He waves at it like an old friend. The new owner waves back. Doesn't know John's dying inside every time. Number 5. Dodge Dakota 1991 to 1996. Last story. This one's about my own dad. 1994 Dakota. Red. V8 Magnum. He bought it used in 2001. I learned to drive in that truck. We moved furniture in that truck. We hauled Christmas trees in that truck. 2010, he traded it in. Got $2,000 on trade for a new Dakota. Seemed smart. The new one was better. On paper, the old Dakota had 280,000 miles. Still running perfect. We drove it to the dealer. It started on the first crank. We watched them drive it to the back lot. Dad's new Dakota? Sold it 3 years later. Nothing but problems. He's on his 3rd truck since then. Last year, I found a photo of that '94 Dakota. Showed him. He stared at it for 5 minutes. Didn't say anything. Didn't have to. Here's the truth they don't tell you. These trucks weren't just transportation. They were the last honest machines. Built to keep. Built to pass down. Built to last forever. Your dad didn't just sell a truck. He sold memories that can't be rebuilt. Moments that can't be replaced. A piece of his life that's gone. If your dad still has his '90s truck, tell him don't you dare sell it. If he already sold it, call him. Ask him about it. Let him tell the stories. Drop in the comments. What truck did your dad sell that he still talks about? Next week, I'm showing you the '90s trucks that owners refuse to sell at any price. Don't miss it. If this hit home, hit that like button. Subscribe because these stories matter. See you next time.